What's up guys, I'm the East Coaster fan and welcome to the first of around 2 or 3 construction updates I'm going to do regarding Wave Twister, the new ride coming to Adventureland. In fact, Adventureland is actually right there. I am right outside the park boundary and I'm going to see if I can notice anything from outside the park. At no point during this video am I going to be venturing inside of Adventureland. This is all going to be what I can see from the outside, and it's going to be a quicker video, but hopefully there'll be some good information in here. Since we're really just focusing on Wave Twister this year, I'm going to focus all my time on this back portion where the exit of Adventureland is right here, kind of this like dead end area. As the recording of this video, it is January 3rd, so other than the New Year's Day vlog I filmed at Great Adventure, this is I guess the first traditional video of the 2025 season. And if you're a fan of these construction update videos, be sure to like and subscribe to see more of it. But with that being said, let's see what we can find. You can see this giant dirt hill over here. So they've definitely been digging on the site of Adventure Falls. And it's not just digging as it looks like, we actually have some footers in place. That's really cool that we have the footers in place. And potentially soon we may see some track coming in. I'm gonna see if I could get a closer look as we walk down that way. So yeah, we definitely have a lot of footers in place. So there's some marked as like a pinkish color, some marked as green. That probably means something and I don't know exactly. But if you know your construction, please let me know and I'll try to update it next time I come here. The other thing I want to focus on is the train tracks, which obviously had to be ripped up as part of this construction. Now this view I'm actually not going to be able to have come next year when the tunnel is built underneath of Wave Twister. So this is really the last time you'll be able to view this area from the outside boundary. In fact, you can see like the carpentry and site plans over there that are just sitting out here for some reason. I guess one thing of note is that they're extending the fence here. So I guess the boundary of Wave Twister is going to extend beyond what was already there. And you can see the new fence, which is installed in blue. This might be a really cool angle that you'll get from the parking lot as like Wave Twister goes towards the cars. So that is everything that I could really see from outside the park at this boundary. Again, it was a shorter construction update, but I'll be back here again a few times throughout the month and while I'm home from college to see if anything else comes up. And if it does, I'll be sure to let you guys know here on YouTube. But with that being said, I think I'm tired, so I'm gonna head back home now.